Hi there, Chris Fox here. We're going to start 6133 today. We're going to fill it with water. We're going to test the water pump and maybe do some switching with it. So come on along and have a good time. Okay, recording. Okay. Greasing the shafts on 33 here. This is the generator shaft, and then we already greased the other one. Can you get that up in there? So? Okay, take a sec. Pumping. Okay, cool. There's that's the okay, that's all we want. Leak. Fire hose connection. I cannot have any leak at all. And while that's filling right now, I have to open this valve here to see how full we're getting. Because if I don't, then we could overfill it, and that won't be good either. Let me give this a shot. New water pump, filled with water. Got a small leak on the fire hose, on the fire coupling. Quick coupling. We're gonna have to take that apart. But the water pump had some leakage in it around this area here, and I think we got it all. I don't think there's any real leaking yet. So, but we're gonna start this, and we're gonna see what's going on with it. And probably it'll take a little bit to start. We'll wait till the train goes away first, because I want to hear it rather than hear some wheel squealing. All right, so here we go. Started much better than I thought it would. Fill up the oil and check the fuel. Yeah. Transmission oil. Correct, transmission oil.